gosh, look at that. Look at
That
the of snow, you guys.
I know,
this
that's
is
what
more
I'm
cooler
saying.
than the last time.
Yeah, the last time it was cool, but it was like...
Man, I can't wait to go out and play tomorrow. Happy New Year, little baby!
Thank you! Happy New Year!
You guys, y'all don't know what I just went through to get this phone on the video, but what's up, Fly Gang? Well, no, we're not Fly Gang, Fly Fam. I'm still in DJ's day, but I finally just brought them outside to play a little bit. I know this is like the worst day to do this. That's enough. We ain't doing all this today. No snowball fights today. Too cold. Okay. Look at DJ, y'all. Anyway. I brought them out here. Hey. I brought them out here because, oh my gosh, you guys, it's so bright out here and you can't. Jesus. Okay. I have not brought them. I didn't get to bring them out to play. So I told them I'm gonna come outside and bring them to play for about 10 minutes because that's all I'm gonna be able to do. I didn't plan on coming out here because I don't think they realized that this is not as soft as it was the first day we came outside and found it. But look it, bro. I'm gonna keep it like this because they were more entertaining. What's going on here? Got my mama's dog over there. She don't care nothing about the snow. She out here playing, every time the door open, she out here coming and walking through the snow. Her little paw prints. I seen them somewhere, and I was like, she the only one. Look, she the only one be running over there, and then she come back over here. Be like, shut up. I should have done that. Go, Jay! I'm just kidding. Stay on the soft part. It's not. Sugar, get up here. But you guys, watch this. I said it's cold and everything, but it's always fun. Bruh. He don't even care with this. So look at this. Sugar, get over here. But you guys, we know a lot of people are not. Stop knocking those down. We know a lot of people. Y'all, we have on boots. And my feet getting cold through here. So I know we not gonna be out here all the time. But we get. Go, Jay! Go, Jay! Go, Jay! Go, Jay! We might do a TikTok after this, y'all. But we just wanted to come on here, give y'all something. I know a lot of people don't have their electricity, which we are one of them. That's why we are over here at my mom's house. We were at my mother-in-law's house, and theirs went out. Come on, Bryce. Sugar. Bryce, get back up here. Yeah.
There's no curve.
You got stuck, didn't you? What, your boot stuck in there?
No.
Crazy. He got snow in his boot, y'all, because he played too much. Now get up here. Sugar, get up here.
Yippity-doo-doo.
Bro, they just trying to snow. They don't even care. Sugar just
But anyway,
trying
guys,
to get out there with him.
there's no curve.
Is that another dead bird in the street? Like, or is that a leaf? Y'all, this bird, I'm gonna show you. Why would you There's this bird. Hey, Sugar! Get up here. We finna definitely go in because I ain't got time to be chasing people. And I finally bust my tailbone. No. Negative. Oh, shit, I'm already standing by. But when we got here the other day, Bryson, get over here. There's this dead bird. And I was like, oh my God. Is that bird?
Ow.
Evidently, it fell. It's too cold. Look at her. What are you eating on? Ooh, we finna go in, y'all, because y'all doing the most. This is not the same as the last snow day we had, okay? Here, let's get a dang on thumbnail and come here. Come here, Pippi. And he carrying this dang on icicle, y'all, bro.
Hey.
Come here, Sugar. Sugar, get over here. Come here, everybody. Look, Sugar. Somebody go grab Sugar. Sugar. This is soft snow. My bad. I am so sorry. My bad. I did not mean to do that.
It's okay. It felt good.
Come on, thumbnail, because Sugar's being still. Sugar! I don't like her. Bryson, get over here. We finna go in half. Get up here, Bryson. Okay, you guys. We wish everyone safety. Man, it's a blessing to have somebody's house to go to if you need to. But this is ridiculous. Absolutely damn ridiculous what they got going on. Some of these companies want people to come to work. I understand that you got to make a living. Like, I'm not totally not saying I'm not oblivious or whatever my situation may be versus everybody else's. I totally understand. But come on now. There's too many things flashing across the screen, social media, the news, where people are driving in this. Why? I know some companies, they have to be open to provide a service to people, but it's just not worth it because you're not going to do anything but replace that person if something happens while their family has to grieve them and they're not coming back. So, Bryson, look, you're not going to say hi? Look at this heifer. Oh, she makes me sick, y'all. We finna go in the house because I can't. My feet are frozen through these boots. My hands are frozen. I'm not gonna do this with them. Nope.